Oh my gosh, this game has got so much going on, and it's mostly just in the game piece. And I think that's the area of the game that I'm most interested in. We put in a lot of work with First to make sure that this game piece checks a lot of boxes for teams and is really useful in terms of how easy it is to pick up and move around your robot. And we don't get a lot of the hangups that some of previous years' game pieces had. So there's been a lot of thought and effort put into making sure teams have a really good experience with the game piece this year.
I always like the game. I'm an easy sell for these games. It's going to be a lot of action of yellow things flying through the air all over the place. It'll be really cool. I think the transition period is important to make sure the team that loses auto has a chance to gather their fuel and score it right when their shift starts. I think that'll be a big deal.
I think the game is going to be very interesting this year. The number of game pieces that are there, the options that teams have to do different things, and also the fact that when you score, that it actually is returned back to the field.
I'm really excited about Rebuilt. I think it's going to be a really exciting game to watch and to play. It's one of those games that's going to be really dynamic as teams change strategies, not just when shifts change, but also throughout the match as they see where they are in terms of scoring. I think there's a lot of nuance to building your robot this year and specializations that you can pick to sort of tune your robot to a specific role in this game. So I think that's all really exciting strategically, and I think it's going to be a blast to watch.
I'm really excited for this game, especially all the reuse and adaptation of all the previous game components in slightly different ways. I think that's a really clever use of sort of archaeology theme and like archaeology of First. I really appreciate all the thought they put into it.